Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. In today's episode, we're getting the white split window ready to fire up. So we got to work on the mechanicals, the plumbing, brakes, get some trim on, do some interior work, and we got to do, my favorite, wiring.
There's got to be digitals. Great. So here we go.
So I've gotten a lot done tonight. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning and everything is pretty much done under the hood. Radiator's in, all the hoses, fan clutch, the belts are on, and they all work together. They seem to be in line, which is good. Those are all tensioned. Started filling up the expansion tank, have all that bolted down, finished connecting all the wiring, connected all the wiring in the car. The only thing I'm missing is a 20 amp fuse so the dome light doesn't turn on. Got the wiring done to the back. So now I feel confident enough that we can go ahead, turn the battery on. Now we can do the old vice grip garage fire test.
Getting woozy. So it passed the test.
I guess let's see if it's live. Where's the handle? Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got turn signalage. That's good. Not gonna have it out the back because we're missing that fuse. That's good. What else do we got? Let's go for broke. Oh, ho, ho. Okay, she cranks over. Bring the thunder. Bring it again. Now that I know the car starts, I'm going to focus on all the cosmetic stuff. So I want to put the rear bumpers on. Once those are mounted, then I can get the exhaust valves fitted up and figure out exactly where these mufflers need to sit, get those adjusted. I did a full systems check on the car. Tail lights work, turn signals work, brake lights work. Checked all the wheels. I had a little bit of a coolant leak. I ended up having to put in a new expansion tank. I tried changing the hose, the clamps, but it didn't work. I just put a new tank in it and that stopped the leak. Checked the brake fluid. We have some. There's a little leak under the dash for the oil pressure line, so I tightened the heck out of that. Got everything tidied up, so I think it's ready for its first road test. But that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of work to do for the next video. Still have to finish up a little bit of the interior, get the front bumpers on, get the hood on, get the rockers on. A lot of buttoning up to do, and this car is going to be leaving tomorrow. So I have to make this video, finish up the car, and then it's heading down the road tomorrow. But I got a lot to do, so I'll catch you guys later.